Okay, working on some trailer lights today. There's the left, there's the right. I got the left turn signal / brake light on right now. I just wanted to show my setup for doing this, how I can do this really efficiently. So I got my jump pack and test lead set up with a fuse, powering the circuit I want to power. And then I've got the power probe in the jump pack, that, and I have a 200 milliamp test light hooked to the ground clip. This is how I can test this trailer. I can go all the way down the whole length of this trailer. I've got 40 feet of cable. I can go everywhere around here. I can test everything with power and ground sourced at the power supply and feeding this circuit. With this, we can figure out most trailer problems in under an hour, no problem. This really makes things smooth, quick, and efficient. I just wanted to go over some of these universal things on trailers. Here you've got, get out of the sun a little bit. Here you have white, brown, yellow, green. White's ground, brown's taillights, yellow's left turn and brake, green is right turn and brake. That's kind of common knowledge in the trailer world, but I just wanted to point that out while I was here. So as long as these are wired up right, you can usually zip right through them. This is what I use. Works really, really well. Just hope this helps somebody out.